Ready?
Hello, please show us how the Uplift app works.
Welcome to Uplift. We're going to do a demonstration on how the app works. The first thing that you do is you put in your travel information, your departure city, time and date, and your arrival city, time and date. Then, when you arrive at your destination, you're given your solution, 2 acupressure points to activate. One on your wrist, and we have a video that will explain exactly how to find that, which we can play.
You can also show that to us like right now.
Yeah. All right. So I'm going to demonstrate that point on Brittany. You want to roll up your sleeve? So you're going to put 4 fingers here, okay? And then you're going to put your finger there. And then you're going to activate that point. Like that. That's one of the points. She would repeat that on a second point.
How do you know where are the points?
From the videos. So we show you a 30-second video. It explains where the point is, how to find it, and how to activate it. We make it as easy as possible for you to find those points. And each time that you do it, you get better at it.
So show us the other part.
Sure. There's also one of our main points is right here under the thumb. So that would be also one of the acupressure points that you could use. Now, each trip is different. There's over 100 different combinations of points in the solution. So from New York to Paris is one solution. From New York to Manila is another. Each trip has its own solution.
Is that shown in the app?
Yes. All you do is input your travel itinerary. So whatever travel itinerary you have, whatever is on your boarding pass is what you put in. You only need to know the time that you leave and from where and the time you arrive. Then you're uplifted and ready to go.
So exactly how does that app works with your resetting the body clock?
So you put your travel information into the app, and we use our algorithm formula to determine your personalized solution for your travel. Then, based on Dr. Charles Krebs' discovery, he gives you the points to activate that resets your clock to your new time zone.
Okay, folks, let's go try that.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.